boys and girls. This is your how-to sheet for unknown words. So an unknown word is a word that you may not know what it means. So sometimes when we are reading, we come across a word and we can read it, but we have no idea what it means. So we want to, sorry about that. So we want to use these strategies to help us figure out what those tricky unknown words are. So there are ways to find out what it means. We could use picture clues. So if you look right here at this picture, I can look at the picture and it looks like this guy's eating something, doesn't it? He's also made a bit of a mess. And I could also use word clues. So I'm going to read the sentence and then I'm going to see if there's any unknown words. So the sentence says, "The ram tastes the jam. It is good." What is a ram? I have no idea what a ram is. But if I go back to my picture clue, I see that this animal thing here is tasting jam. I remember I said he was eating it. So this must be a ram, this animal here with these big horns. He kind of looks like a sheep. The ram tastes the jam. Jam. Well, if he's tasting it, then this red stuff that he made a big mess here must be jam, and it must taste good because it says it is good. So when I'm reading and I come across a word I don't know, I have to read all around the tricky word and I have to look at my picture clues to help me figure out what exactly that word means. So make sure you don't just read past a tricky word or an unknown word. Look around and be a detective and find those clues either in the pictures or in the words around that tricky word to help you figure out what that unknown word means.